Hampton-inspired design, ultra-modern features give this exquisite townhouse an ambience and a sophistication like no other. Welcome to Benfer Bayside, a boutique complex offering an upmarket lifestyle. Featuring 2 bedrooms, study nook, 2 bathrooms, powder room, multitude of car accommodation from single to double, patios, outdoor entertainment, 2-storey, low set, the choice is yours.
Don't mind, I like the way it feels. No need to set off the alarm. No, see, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh, I'm so high.
Just come home and relax from the balcony, outdoor areas and gardens.
I'm erase the aeroplanes up in the sky.
For luxurious living in a premier location, what a way to live.